Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best portable audio mixers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is TC Helicon GoXLR revolutionary online broadcaster platform with mixer. This mixer is a dedicated audio mixer for streamers. It has a broad range of functions to choose from, and it is simple to comprehend. You may even sample sounds and modify them to suit your needs. With all of the voice effects available, you can enjoy amusing your audience. However, it rightfully deserves the place of the best audio mixer for online streamers on our list. As far as design is concerned, it is a compact black gadget with several features centered on sound quality and control. It has a downward slanted construction comparable to that of a keyboard. You can reach the different buttons and switch on the gadget more quickly because of the downward slope. It also features RGB lighting that you can customize through software. This 4-channel mixer has 4 volume sliders and a mute button. In addition, you can quickly manipulate audio during streaming sessions using them. We faced no issues when conversing or listening to music while streaming our tests. Instead, we could easily modify the volume and effects during our gaming sessions. We even experimented with microphone sound effects and had a great time. It made things much more uncomplicated for us as an easy-to-use audio mixing device. Number 2. Our second best pick is YAMAHA MG10XU 10-input stereo mixer. It is a work of art that is both beautiful and functional. The controls handling is fluid, and the build, quality, and presentation are excellent. It provides superb sound quality and fantastic effects, and it is our choice for the best analog audio mixer on our list. This audio mixer is ideal for small home recording sessions and portable concerts. Furthermore, we were impressed by its fantastic audio quality and flexibility. The built-in preamps provide it with the greatest quality alternatives for sparkling pure highs and unobstructed bass frequencies. 4 XLR lines also work as 1/4 jacks, each with its unique features. 2 of them have compression control knobs, and 2 come with phantom power for condenser microphones. It has 24 digital effects covering every sound you may desire from a mixer. In addition, you can listen to external audio thanks to USB audio ports and cassette, CD, and RCA connections. Furthermore, you can quickly learn and operate the interface setup, having 3-band EQ and LED metering. It is known for its high-quality products, and it contains several of them. It's also very compact so that you can take it anywhere. It is an excellent audio mixer for smaller shows. Number 3. Our third best pick is Mackie Mix8 8-channel compact mixer. This compact mixer has everything you need for superb sound at a price that most artists and bands can afford. For example, it may serve as your primary sound system or a supplementary mixing surface for recording music to your computer. In addition, it offers high-end audio quality at an affordable price and is our choice for the best budget audio mixer on our list. Despite its small size, it has a strong punch and is durable. It also has 8 channels, 2 studio-quality mic/line inputs, phantom power for studio condenser mics, and 3-band EQ on all channels. It is suitable for small venues and produces high-quality sound for your events. And if that wasn't enough, we could even alter our vocal timbre quickly by pressing a button. We were amazed at how simple it is to generate professional-sounding mixes with this tiny mixer straight out of the box. With its sturdy metal chassis and characteristics made like a tank architecture, it is both rugged and lightweight, weighing in at just 8 pounds. Additionally, its famous preamps guarantee that every input sounds clean and distortion-free, even at high volumes. However, there are some uses for which it's just not big enough. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Pyle Professional Audio Mixer. This audio mixer soundboard console is a desktop interface with 6 channels, USB, Bluetooth, digital MP3 computer input, 48V phantom power, FX 16-bit DSP, and black. This mixer has an integrated soundboard for mixing and recording audio tracks, and it is our choice for the best audio mixer for professional use. This mixer also contains a Bluetooth connection for audio streaming from your phone. The mixer also offers a microphone input and a stereo line in. On testing, we were able to hardwire 2 microphones, a keyboard, an echo dot, and our laptop in a matter of minutes and connect a tablet through Bluetooth. Everything went to a stage amp or our home sound system. It contains all of the functions you need for professional mixing, and the craftsmanship is outstanding. Pyle has crammed in many features that are appealing to professionals, but it has made them accessible to the average person. You get gain, 3 EQ adjustments, and volume on channels 1-4. The handy Bluetooth in the module was beneficial. This channel connects fast and reliably, and it worked excellent with our iPhone 12 Max. It had all of the same settings as the previous 4 channels. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Behringer Xenix X1222 USB Mixer. It is compact, but don't let the size fool you. It is powerful and portable and is large enough to handle all of your mixer requirements. With 4 phantom-powered Xenix mic preamps, this is a quality analog mixer designed for pros. These preamps produced excellent quality in our tests, and we could easily compare them to standalone boutique preamps. In addition, they feature a 130 dB dynamic range. This mixer also has 4 professional compressors and LED control, enabling you to mix and get the desired sound swiftly. Reverb, flanger, chorus, delay, and other effects are among the 16 changeable presets on the mixer. You can connect the XLR and line level sources to 2 of the 4 available channels. Behringer has also included an FBQ feedback detection system in this mixer, allowing you to achieve the correct sound without any feedback. In addition, the LED will light up when the model detects feedback, indicating which setting to alter, which is a very convenient feature. You may easily connect it to any computer with the provided USB cable. It includes all the software in the price of this model. For example, you may build the studio of your dreams at home with the help of the app's 150+ virtual instruments. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.